perfectly fudgy 1-bowl brownies. I'm gonna show you how to make these today. They're so easy, and I'm gonna show you how to make them the ultimate Reese's Brownies. First off, just a basic 1-bowl brownie recipe. It's a super fudgy brownie because of all the eggs we're going to add. To your 1 bowl, you're going to add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa, and 2 cups of granulated sugar, and whisk that together. Then mix in a teaspoon of salt, 5 large eggs, and a cup of vegetable oil. Those eggs are what keeps these super fudgy. I also stirred in 2 cups of chocolate chips. Those are optional. You could also do some chocolate chips and some nuts, or just all nuts, or just omit. And it's a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I lined it with foil, sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray, and I always sprinkle more chocolate on the top, and then you bake those till they're nice and gooey. Now those are fantastic, but if you want to doctor these up a little bit, you can add all the peanut butter Reese's things, Reese's Pieces, peanut butter cups, even peanut butter chips to make the ultimate Reese's Brownies. Adding peanut butter chips to half the batter in your pan, then add in some mini peanut butter cups, add the rest of the batter on top, and then once all that batter's in there, I sprinkle the top with Reese's Pieces. So it's like a peanut butter explosion. Once you bake these, they'll be nice and gooey. Don't over bake them because we want them to stay nice and fudgy. You can see how gooey and fudgy these are. They're amazing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more brownie recipes.